Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cubing Corner. I know if you clicked on this video then you have to do the white cross efficiently. So this is for already guys who know to solve the Rubik's Cube. So if you want to do the white cross efficiently, then let me scramble a cube and show you how you can do the cross efficiently. For every scramble, for solving the white cross, you can actually do it less than 8 moves considering this scramble. I'll just take my time to observe it first, then I'll see if there is any match like this. There is an orange match, and then I see this is opposite. The orange is a match and red has to go back, the opposite of orange, so it has to go back here. If I do a D prime move, it will go and match. But if I want to see another white, where's the white other than this? Okay, that's here on the top, that's green and blue over here. I need to think about this also. So if I plan it properly, then I can actually do a D move and match the blue first, so that if I do a D2 move, it will be a match, then orange, then I will match this green over here. That makes a perfect white there. Alright, this is how you can efficiently solve within 8 moves. I guess it's already done within 6 or 7. Let me go and show you another scramble. Okay, there you go. No, this time I'll not consider any cross, easy cross. Okay, so I can see one edge that is opposite match. Okay, the those two on the top. Now if I turn this, it will be a match, but I can see the other pieces also going here and there. First, let me try to get the down layer correct, in the correct position. Here the white and red has to be flipped. Let me make it proper first. 1, 2. Before pushing this red, actually I can match the green there and then push the red. Then it's already on the opposite, so I can easily make a R prime move. So that's 3 matches altogether, and as you can see the blue is already matched, and the last one more move to match all the white back into the cross position. As you can see, it's hardly takes less than 8 moves to make the perfect plus. Then it's all about CFOP, where C, the cross is already done. Now you're just focusing on first 2 layers, the second pair over here, third pair over here, last pair, yeah, there you go, and then the OLL and PLL. In this way you can solve the cross efficiently. You need to decide perfectly in the beginning, in the observation time, what to do, like how much time you will take and how many moves you will take to build a white cross. As I discussed earlier, if you take less than 8 moves, then you're all good. Only thing is you need to practice more and decrease the time. If it comes around 2 to 3 seconds, then that would be great. Try, practice and improve your time. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.